Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Lele's Artistic Jewelry Design. Today we are going to be making a kitty cat bracelet made out of pink gemstones, pink agate gemstones, and black and white glass marble beads from Creative Bead Box of May. And the pink beads, they come from SL Crystal Design DIY from off of TikTok, along with this little bitty charm. With the little kitty cat that's sticking out of a little teacup. It says coffee. Then you have the little kitty cat ring charm right here. I got that from SL Crystal DIY off of TikTok too. They gave free charms when you made a purchase. Okay, and we also have the white stretch cord we're going to be dealing with. And we also have some needles that we're going to be stringing on the stretcher cord with. And we open them up. It makes it easy for me to thread on the beads with the needle. So this is what the needle looks like, and you fold it up. You all have seen my needle before, my handy dandy needle. Okay, you take it, you put it in, string it on. And I know they have other needles for this, but I like this one too. I might invest in the other one, but as long as I got these, I'm going to use them. I hope everyone is having a nice day today. Okay, so this is how it looks. We're also going to be putting on the clip to clip the end of it. Now, if you're real good at this, you really wouldn't need a clip if you're very good at this. But me, I like taking precautions. Okay, so we're going to start stringing it on. Let's see, we want to go with, I'm going to do the pink agate first. Y'all see my little jewelry? This is my bracelet wooden block. Let you know exactly how many beads you really need for a 7-inch bracelet. Me, I like doing a 7.5-inch bracelet. So this is what we're going to be using. If you like the content that you're watching, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification button so the next time I upload another video of unboxing or jewelry making, you'll be notified. Also subscribe. Please subscribe, share it with a family or friend, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any suggestions. Okay, and we have the black and white marble bead. And I'm going to do is I'm going to set this to the side so you can see what I'm doing here. Put that right there in the center. I'm going to try something different that I've seen on TikTok, that I've seen how they added on a dangle. So instead of using a jump ring or any metal in this, which I don't mind using because I do know how to wire. I do know how to wrap wire, so, but I want to try this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take on my dangle. First we're going to take this, take to the teapot, and I'm going to see if I get this right. If I don't get it right, it just won't be right. Let me see. This is how they did this. We're going to find out. We're going to find this out together. Well, that be doggone, it works. One thing I do is make sure it's in the center. Let's see. It's not going to give me the look I want for that. This has to be dangling like that. But it works. But it's just not dangling the way I need for it to dangle. So this video may be a little long, because I'm trying to figure out exactly how they did that. Because see, it's on there. But I'm almost wondering, do I have to tie a knot? Let's see, I might have to tie a knot right Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see, we got the little without a jump ring. Well, I say we got it then, huh? But I know I'm gonna have to come from the other end to do what I need to do on the other end there. Okay. Well, there we have it. There we have it. Let's see. Let's see if this is gonna work. Cause I need my kitty cat frame. See, we have a kitty cat frame. Isn't that cute? Meow. Look, kitty cat frame. Somebody who loves cats will love this. Just put the needle together. Okay, I'm gonna have to do like I did before. Get the crystal. We got a pink agate crystal that we're gonna set in the center because the teapot is pink. Well, the teacup is pink. That the little black kitty is in. Find a hole here. Okay, see that? We have that in there, so now we gotta go find the other hole. But you gotta go on a little fishing expedition here. Come on. Shouldn't be that difficult to find that hole right there. Okay, there we go. Nope, we don't got it. We only got one in there. It's probably because my needle is not lined up correctly. Come on. Come on, needle. Get into the hole, the frame hole, will you please? There we go. Nope, that's not how I want it. So that's not gonna work right there. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. So we're gonna figure this out together. Now I gotta tie my knot back there. Tie my knot back on. Tighten it back down. Okay. Put one right there then. Let me just see how this is going to end up looking. I don't know just yet. You know, you look at something, if I don't like it, I'll take it loose. That's how I see it. I'll just take it loose if I don't like it. Okay. Pink agate. I almost think that's how that's supposed to go. Like that. And then hang down. Dangle. That's what I'm getting here. If that goes down like that, that's supposed to come up like that. Aha. You know, you get one of those aha moments. Aha. Aha. I get it now. Okay. So, if that comes up like that, this has to be a knot down here. This has to come up, then come out. We're going to figure this out then. That's what we're going to do. We're going to figure it out. I'm going to figure this thing out. Okay. Y'all give me just 1 minute here, because I'm trying to figure out how did they do that on TikTok without using metal to make a dangle. So, I'm wondering, do I just need to put it in this way? Just take one out. I'm going to figure this out, y'all. I'm going to figure this out. So, you take one out. I bet it's just like doing a necklace. I bet you that's how this is. Just like doing a necklace dangle. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to tie a knot. Tie another knot. Okay. So we tied a knot. Got one longer than the other here. I need for these strings to line up at the end. Okay. once my beads go on there, it should be okay. Okay, we're going to put some beads on there. So what we're going to do, put some beads on. Just use the needle because I see this is going to be difficult. Just use the needle. Use the needle as our guide here. Okay. Bear with me, y'all, because we're gonna work this out. And I'm gonna put that on. So I don't want the dangle to be too long. What's going on here? Okay. Come on, ho. See, that's what happens when you have nails. When you have long fingers, when you have nails in the way, that's what's going to happen right there. You're going to have to, especially when you're dealing with little bitty beads. The length of your nail may get in the way. And these are my real nails, so just think I was thinking about growing them out a little bit longer. I think I just probably keep them the length they are. Because I'm already having problems with little bitty beads. Okay. Got that on. Doggone it. Okay, we got it on. We got it on. Okay. That's the dangle. Okay. Now, we have to separate. I'll bring it around. I'm going to take it back down. Okay, so that's our dangle. Okay. Uh-oh. We got our dangle on. That's the dangle. And I'm going to bead some on camera, and then I'm going to pause and bead the rest off camera. Okay? So, this video won't be so long. Okay, I think I'm going to come back through with this one. Put a black and white marble glass bead on. And come down here some. So you can see what I'm doing where I'm not right up in your face. Come on, needle. Okay, there go that one. Pink agate. Another marble. So now I'm going to start doing 3 in 1. 3 black and white, 1 pink. And I'm hoping this bracelet turn out the way I have it in my head. Well, I seen the next chapter of Wendy Whitman's channel, and I think she'd be a nice addition to the community, the jewelry making community. So I hope everyone welcomes her in with a warm welcoming. Like her husband said, and she said she could never take the place of Miss Whitman. But we always can welcome those who loved her, that's willing to keep the channel going. Because I think that's what she would have wanted anyway, is to keep that alive, that channel alive. It takes a lot of work to build your channel up to a certain amount of followers, and faithful followers at that. Because it's not easy being on camera. It's not easy building your channel up. Uh-oh. Y'all see that? I made that mistake right there. It's not easy at all to build your channel up. You know, people gotta want to watch you, and you have to keep them entertained long enough to watch you. So we all have to be patient with one another. You know, I'm still in the learning process of learning how to edit and, you know, record and all of that and add this and that. It takes time. Especially if it's something that you've never done before. It takes time and patience. And that's the key, patience. Patience and time. Okay, so far this is what we have. That's going to be the dangle, just them two at the bottom. And you'll see exactly when I get to the end what I'm going to do. Because the only thing right now, I'm just repeating the bead pattern. So in a few minutes, I'm going to pause the camera, finish the stringing part of this. And I'll be right back. Okay, we're on our last bead now. And then I'll show you how I'm going to go up through it and get it tied off. Okay, so we're on our last bead. As you can see, I have it in this, so I can make sure I'm measuring it right. So we got that. Now what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to thread up the center. Okay, so as soon as I get this right, we're going to take our needle and we're going to go up this bead right here. So I'm going to pull that back some. I gotta get it just right up in here. Uh-oh, I lost my thread. So it's just almost as if you're doing wire, like you do it with wire. Let me see. I see I got some thread that's bunched, some cord that's bunched up right there. So that means I got to straighten that out. Okay. Make sure we ain't got no bunched up thread anywhere. No cord, rather. No bunched up cord. There goes the little kitty cat I put on. So we have a pink and a black kitty cat. Okay, we got that unbunched. So now we got this back on, the needle back on. I gotta make sure I hold on to the thread, okay? We're gonna go up through this one. I really need my magnifying glass to do this, but can't use it right now. So I'm going to do my best here to get this needle in there. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm about to lose the thread and I don't want to do that. So you gotta hold on to that thread until you pull it up in there. Okay. This requires some skill and patience to do this. So I'm gonna take this off until I can get back up in there. Okay, so I'm in there now. Okay, so see, that's how that's looking. And I'm not quite sure why that's where I want my dangle at. So I might go back out and take one bead off. Because that dangle really needs to be in that center. So we're just going to have to come back out of this. We're going to come back out. Take off one of these beads. Because I thought I was going to need 4, but I don't. So now let's go back up through it again. Thing is, if you don't have patience to do this type of stuff, it ain't gonna make sense for you to do it. Sorry, but it won't. I already know this takes patience. So I'm gonna take that off now and just using my hand to guide it on through there. There go one. The other one, pull it. That's better. That's much better. That's much better. See, never my dangle. Without any wires, without any pins and jump rings. You're just using your stretchy cord. But see, I want to go up through this some more. So now I have to go up through. Gather all of this because I'm gonna need to just, you definitely have to hold on to this cord, onto this stretchy cord to do this. The cord and the needle. Because you're gonna have to guide that needle up through this. Okay. Let me see if I can guide it up through another one instead of one by one. Otherwise, we'll be here all day. And no one is trying to be here all day. Okay, come on, needle. Get up in there. You see how you have to just take your time and get that needle in there. You have to get both pieces in there. Okay. I think I got, yep, I got both pieces in there. Okay. Feel them coming through. Okay. I want to come back around as much as I can with this to make sure I reinforce it. Just loosen this up a little bit. You want this to be loose just a little bit so it can like have a little dangle to it. I'll be right back after I finish that, and I'll see how you see how I tie it off. Okay, I'm about to tie it off, so I'm up through these now. So I went a second time up through all of these. So it's like 4 pieces of stretchy cord up through this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up through this. See that bridge right there? You're going to have to open it up. So you open up the bridge, okay? You're going to have to take 1 piece of string through it. See, take 1 piece of string through that. Come up like that. So So now we're finna tie it off. Because my string started getting frayed on me. Just like I've always shown you. Crisscross. Let's say crisscross applesauce. Crisscross it, come up. Okay. Then tie it off again. That knot came out, so tie it off. Okay, see, we're right there. I don't know if you can see that, but we're right there. Okay, we're right there. So we're gonna cross it again. Okay, I want you to crisscross it, come up the top, tie it off. Okay, push it down up in there. Now let's see how our knot will look. Okay, we have a knot now. That's how we want to look. Okay, so we have a knot. See, my string started getting frayed on me. So this is what I'm gonna do. Since we have a knot, I'm gonna put it back on my needle, and it's just as if you was doing bead embroidery, or if you was doing stitch work. Okay, because we're coming up this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get all of that down there. Okay, and I'm gonna have to hold my thread real tight. Okay, make sure I have my needle. Okay, and we're right here. We're gonna go up this bead right here, and then we're gonna cut it off right up through here. Okay, so see, now the knot is gone. Now I could tie off another knot. I don't think it's necessary. Okay, so we're gonna just, let me see, do I want to go up one? We're gonna go up some more and tie a knot. This might be a 45-minute long video here. Okay, so just be patient with me. We're going to bring it down. We're going to go up a second bead right here. That bead right there, we're going to go up that one where my thumb is at, okay? So we're going up that one. Okay. We're going to pull it on through. And like I said, it takes a little patience to do this, but you can do it. Okay, we got it up that one. Okay. I'm going to try to go up one more and then tie it off at that point of entry. Okay, bring the thread down, needle up close as you can get it. Then we're going to go up to this one that's up there by the bunny head, okay, by the cat head. So you see that one, that last one right there. We're going to try to go up that one, okay? So grab your needle. Make sure you got your thread tight. It's going to be a tight fit. Try to get it up in there. But it can be done. You just got to be patient with it. Okay, I got it in there. Good thing that my needle was bendable. Okay, there goes the needle. Okay. Bring it through. You see how I'm just bringing it through. Bringing it through. I gotta ease it on up in there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, well, I finished the cat, the black and white and pink cat bracelet, as you can see. Flip the ears that way. Put it on so you can see it. Let's turn it the right way, that way. The ears will be the right way. You'll see. This might need to be a little bit looser. I think I should have came down up through there, then I would have made it flatter, but there goes the kitty cat dangling charm. Or you can wear it that way, or just let the little kitty cat dangle at the bottom. I got to just have to loosen him up some. You got a pink kitty cat and you got a black kitty cat. So there go our bracelet. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to have a blessed day and be a blessing to someone else. Hit the thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification button for the next time I do a video. You will be notified when I drop one down. For jewelry box, for jewelry unboxing or jewelry making. Thank you. And have a blessed day. Bye-bye.